Hey there, future CEOs. Welcome to BMC Made Easy, the coolest place where business dreams begin. Ever wanted to start your own business? Maybe a bubble tea store, or a fashion brand, or even an app that changes the world. Well, guess what? You don't need a boring 50 pages business plan to do that. You just need one page, nine blocks, endless possibilities. That's right, some of you could guess already. The business model canvas, or in short, BMC. BMC is a description of how your company creates, deliver, and capture values. Here in this video, we break down into some short videos with fun examples, real student ideas, and step-by-step guides. Whether you are in high school or part of your school project or just super curious, this channel will help you to think like an entrepreneur and act like one too. Stay tuned with us. BMC Made Easy.